Okay, we had a little run-in with Hurricane Eta. It's been meandering around in the Caribbean for a week or so. It finally made its way up to Florida. It's about 100 miles offshore right now from where we are. Maximum wind gusts we had were about 45 knots, so it wasn't too bad. We have a little bit of storm surge here. As you can see, the water's up over the seawall. That's about maybe 4 or 5 feet. I don't have to worry about this any longer, which is nice. Well, I hope we don't. Well, that's it. Hurricane Eta.